I resonate with the integrative vibration in my blueprint. I resonate with the integrative vibration in my blueprint. I resonate with the integrative vibration in my blueprint. Hey everybody, I'm Gandharva, and it is the Your Life Blueprint Sound Vibrations for Sunday, Integrative Day. Hey, if you like these videos, please like them. Hit that like button, either on Facebook or on YouTube, wherever you're watching. Integrative Day, bring it all together. Shine, shine, shine like the sun. Where I am, it's really sun shining today. Sunshiny. And of course, on Sundays around here, at the YLB factory, is Rumi Day, because Rumi was an integrative spiritual being. He was like Muhammad Ali and Mr. Rogers. And Jesus and Buddha and Krishna. Ooh, don't forget those three. They all came from the sun. Yeah, Rumi comes from the sun. On the day I die, when I'm being carried toward the grave, don't weep. Don't say, he's gone, he's gone, he's gone, he's gone. Death has nothing to do with going away. Death has nothing to do with going away. The sun sets and the moon sets, but they're not gone. Death is a coming together. Death is a coming together. The tomb looks like a prison, but it's really release into union. The human seed goes down in the ground like a bucket into the well where Joseph is. It grows and comes up full of some unimagined beauty. Your mouth closes here and immediately opens with a shout of joy there. One who does what the friend wants done will never need a friend. There's a bankruptcy that's pure gain. The moon stays bright when it doesn't avoid the night. A rose's rarest essence lives in the thorn. A rose's rarest essence lives in the thorn. Childhood, youth, and maturity, and now old age. Childhood, youth, maturity, and now old age. Every guest agrees to stay 3 days, no more. Childhood, youth, maturity, and now old age. Every guest agrees to stay 3 days, no more. Master, you told me to remind you. Time to go.